add integer operations, adding and subtracting to your table of contents. Make sure that you have green, red. You need those, at least those two colors, and then something to write with. I'm gonna be writing in black. So make sure you have those. Then turn to your next available page. Title's integer. We're talking about adding and subtracting. All right, I want to do a small refresher about a couple of things before we get into the whole meat and potatoes of integer operations. So remember positive or whole numbers? Well, first off, natural numbers. I know you guys saw that on the interim and you were questioning it. We have this, but some of you were still confused. Natural numbers are just counting numbers. When you count, do you say 0?
No.
So 0 is not included in natural numbers. You start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Those are natural numbers, right? They just occur naturally out your mouth. Then you have your whole numbers, right? So natural numbers are your counting numbers. Yes, if I write it, you write it. Okay. I don't know why you would ask that question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, ... These are just your counting numbers, right? Then you have your whole numbers, which are 0, 1, 2, 3. It's the whole thing, and they're all positive. So notice that whole numbers are your natural numbers, but they're also the number 0. Then you have integers, which is what we're going to be focusing on next. And remember, integers are natural numbers, whole numbers, and negatives. Your negative numbers. And then we have, lastly, rational numbers. Forgot the S. So rational numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, as well as pieces of numbers. So rational numbers, I just like to say everything. Everything's a rational number. There's not any number that's not considered a rational number. 6, 7, rational number. 41, rational number. 21, rational number. 6.25, rational number. 33 1/3%, rational number. So rational numbers are all numbers. All numbers above and pieces of numbers. So your percents, your fractions, and your decimals. Now, we're not going in depth on this because we've already learned this in previous lessons. We're just going over it again because I know some of you had a question about it with the natural numbers included. Another thing that's going to come up in this unit is absolute value. And we're going to look at absolute value a lot. Because when you're thinking about what the rule is, you'll be thinking about what to apply considering the absolute value of the number. So absolute value is distance from 0. And what do we know about distance?
It can never be more than.
Never can be negative. How do we represent absolute value? Like, what does it look like? Mona? Mm-hmm. What does it look like? Number in between two lines. I want you to make a number line real quick. The numbers to the right of 0 are your positives. Those are represented with green. Green is good. If I have money, that makes me happy. It's a good thing. When you're talking about business adventures, you'll say I'm in the black or I'm in the green. Negative numbers are often represented with red. Business will refer to being in debt as being in the red. That means you owe money, right? So your number line, I want you to 4, 5, -6, -7, -8. Oh, I didn't go far enough. 8. And you notice 0 is black because 0 is not positive. It's not negative either. It has no value. It's like the division line of the number line. It's neutral, right? It's in the middle.